Alright everybody, welcome back to Cabin Creek Forge. Finally got a little bit of time to try to finish the file knife. I'm going to try to start cutting the blade. I don't know if I've ever said this before, but I don't have a clue of what I'm doing, but I've watched a couple of YouTube videos, a little bit of AVE, listened to some Dixie Cryptid. I know absolutely nothing about everything, but just gonna wing it. So if you got any tips or hints or ideas or see something I'm doing wrong or something I'm doing right or whatever, commenting don't cost you nothing. If you don't like what you see, I'll give you your money back. It's coming together. I mean, it's not a work of art yet. Alright guys, try to get back with you when I've got the rest of it done.